Welcome back for another video, guys, and thank you all for tuning in. So today I'm going to be talking about why you don't want to be trading only forex, especially as a beginner trader. So many top and successful traders advise it. I personally advise it, and today I'm going to be telling you why exactly it isn't safe to trade only forex. So yeah, a lot of you guys know forex trading as a very high income skill. You see people making over $100,000, millions in a day, and you know all the flashy things, the cars, the houses. That is what really draws attention. Yes, we have to be honest. And when you enter trading, that is what is on your mind. I'm going to buy a car soon. I'm going to buy a house. I'll be financially free. But is it actually wise to be trading only forex, especially when you start? No. Now let me tell you why. There's a difference between a high income skill and passive income. Forex trading is a high income skill, as in it is a skill that allows you to make potentially huge amount of money on a monthly basis. But then there's one thing especially about forex trading. If you don't know, it's not consistent. How do I know? So many traders, big traders, even me, I don't make the same amount of money every single month. I can make X amount this month, the next month I'll make Y, next month I'll make Z. Like I can make, let's say this month $1,000, next month I can make $2,000, the third month I can make $50. It may sound crazy, but that is how inconsistent trading is. So let's say you made the first $1,000 now, right, and you start living big. Let's say your bills for a month is $800 and you have $200 to spend on whatever. The next month you make 50. How are you going to keep up with that bills? That is why it is a high income skill, and then it is not consistent. Forex trading is inconsistent. Don't expect to be going higher and higher every single month. You can do that, but we are here being realistic, and you don't want to be unrealistic, because this life, if you're looking at life from a realistic point of view, you're going to find yourself in the mud so many times. You find yourself stranded. So now forex, we know it's a high income skill. We are going to talk about passive income. What does passive income mean? Passive income is, or are types of income, right, that keep flowing consistently. So let's say now I'll give an example of passive income. As we all know, very popular one, real estate. Let's say you have a real estate company, right, and you're bringing in money steadily, $8,000 every month. It is not like trading that today markets can be bad, gold can be bad, GBP can be bad, so there will be not much money this month. Your real estate investment is bringing you steady $1,000, but now you can steadily live on bills worth $800 a month, because you know surely you're always going to meet up to it. We have other types of passive income, like so many online ones out there, copywriting, that you can find a job with somebody that needs a copywriter and you can be making money passively. So like there are countless ways to make money online, countlessly. You can work as a moderator for some groups or Discord servers. You can work as a ghostwriter. You can even invest in crypto that can bring in passive income for you. Though crypto is so misunderstood by many people, they don't see it as something, especially these meme coins, just put money, get rich quick, and that is not actually it. You need to actually have an understanding with crypto, and I'll actually say crypto isn't that consistent. I don't really call crypto a passive income. I would just call crypto a source of income, but not passive. It's also not consistent. This month BTC can be going up, the next month it can be going down against you. So crypto is not consistent. But I've listed real estate. Those that can't find a place to invest in real estate, so many ways online: copywriting, content creating. You can make money from YouTube. YouTube is a passive income, like you know, as long as you post your videos, you do your work consistently, you're getting money every month. YouTube is a very nice source of passive income. And what else? Yeah, so just go to Google, search just go to Google, search passive income skills. You see so many. You understand? So now my advice to traders out there is that as a beginner trader, don't find yourself trading only forex. Forex is going to take so much from you, your money, your life, everything. It will take you. Forex will take you from yourself. You have to become somebody. You have to know the real you. So actually be a good trader, be a successful, profitable trader. So my advice to you is, if you don't already have a job you're working, find a job. It can be a physical job, even. work as a salesman, anything, find a job online, you can get into YouTube, social media affiliate, all this they pay, you understand? So make sure you have something else backing you up before you start trading. Believe me, Forex will take it off from you as you begin. I want to be real as possible with you guys, so you don't go there making the same mistake I made and so much other people have made. So that's it guys, that is why trading Forex alone is not the best. You can do it, it's very risky, but save yourself that chance. It's an unnecessary risk. Find a job by the side that is giving you income, so if you can lose that $20 today, you have another to fund, have another to feed yourself. So as well guys, if you found this helpful, which I hope you did, do well to hit the like button, smash that subscribe button, turn on the notifications. You don't want to be missing more videos from me. We'll be bringing you guys so much helpful content here. Catch you guys in the next one. Love.